Hi, I just wanted to say that there is an easier way if you don't want to do it yourself, and that is to take it to Halfords. It'll cost you about £9, and the guy will fit it. Due to my nerves and my back struggling a little bit from fixing that heater fan, back in February, and it's still not fully fixed, as well as other things. It's I decided that I would go and do it. So when I tried actually in April to do it the last time, I got the two bulbs changed, and I couldn't actually get it unclipped after because I wanted to just check it was in the right position, and it was so tight, and I just couldn't pull back to do it, and it felt really tightly in. So I met a guy at Halfords, and he said if he was in, he would attempt it today. So that was what I did. But then the thing was that I showed him how to get the connector off because his hands were a bit tight fitted. I said, look, I can do that bit easy, so just give it here. And then I actually did the metal, and it was really loose. I just pulled it down and it was loose. And that reminded me that it is very key that you heat your car up first, and the lights around it, because if you do, then the metal on that clip expands, and that's often the tight bit. It makes it that extra tight. So in the end of the day, really, I didn't actually need to pay my £9, but I did because he gave me great support. He was so enthusiastic, and he was very supportive. That when I went and I told him about this a month ago. So really, I would say for a lot of people, take it in to a reputable place like Halfords, and they will be able to attempt to change it for you, and that is what I did. And the other point that you can do, which I did actually do at Christmas. I actually improved my lights a bit with getting the alignment slightly changed. Which I'll maybe go into, and also I put in some 200% brighter bulbs out of Halfords after the Elgin branch in Halfords enthusiastically told me that it would help. So, and it did. It improved the visibility. So that was a good thing to do as well. So I will go and I'll do a wee bit more on that sometime. But I just thought I'd say that that even me, who's worked out how to to do them but by hand, and put them in myself, is that sometimes it is better just to get someone else to fit it, and do someone that's doing it every day. So yeah, okay, bye.